Hey friend, and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm going to be coming to you with yet another sensational review. This one is going to be from the Textured Lace Wig Kinky Edges collection. It's in the style wide part Kinky Barrel Curl 20 inch and it's in the color number 2. So here's what the stock card for her is looking like. And of course on the inside of the stock card it's going to go into detail about the collection. This one is going to be available in 4 special colors. So for the cap construction on this unit, you are going to get that center HD lace parting space. You're going to get 2 combs that are right in the front. And then you're going to get a comb in the back as well as your adjustable straps and an adjustable elastic band. And this one was made on a mesh wig cap. So first I'm just going to go in with my Juvia's foundation. This is in the color Kano. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my makeup brush and then start applying that to the underside of the lace. And I like using foundation versus like the lace tint sprays and stuff like that, just because I feel like this tends to stick around for a little bit longer, so I don't really have to go in as often and reapply. And then after I'm done tinting this lace, I'm just gonna slap this bad boy on the wig head and show you guys what it's looking like. So here she is on the wig head, you guys, and initially right out of the box, I am happy with this one. Of course, like it says on the stock card, this is going to be 20 inch and look at those curls, you guys. And I just wanted to come in and show you guys a close-up of these kinky edges, honey. I like that with this unit, the kinky edges aren't too crazy. They're not super dense or anything like that. And I'm just loving these curls, you guys. Like very romantic curls. So I'm just clipping the hair out of the way so I can get ready to start cutting the lace off. I'm going in with my embroidering scissors first, as always, to start cutting this lace into smaller sections. And this is just gonna help me prepare for when I go in later with my serrated pinking shears to just cut off the remainder of this lace. And right now I'm just going in with the serrated pinking shears and removing the rest of that lace. Now I'm just taking the clips out and you see how that's looking with the lace cut off. Now I'm going to just go ahead and pop this bad boy on my head. I did go in and adjust the adjustable elastic band pretty much all the way so I could get a secure fit. I am going to be installing this one glueless. And I just wanted to show you guys how it's looking on my head. So for the cap size on this one, my head is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference. And I want to say this one's definitely going to be big head friendly just because, like I said, I have the adjustable elastic band pretty much adjusted as tight as it can go. And it is fitting my head nice and securely, but the cap does have some stretch. And of course, if you have a larger size head and you want it to fit you well, you can definitely just go in and not adjust that adjustable elastic band. So as far as the density on this one, the density is beautiful. It's definitely minimum 150%. You could definitely get it bigger too if you wanted to just go out and brush those curls. Right now I'm just going to go back in with my Juvia's foundation in the color Kano and start applying that to the perimeter of the lace once it's on my head to just get it to blend in a bit more. And you guys, when I tell you, when it comes to these kinky edge wigs, like I have not been able to stop buying them. I just feel like they're so easy for me to be able to make look realistic. So now I'm going in with my The Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's concealer in the colors Yoda and Kafuru and adding that into my parting space. And the texture on this one, you guys, is definitely going to be yaki. It's not like a full-blown super kinky yaki, if that makes sense, but it's definitely not silky at all. It's more like a relaxed yaki. I really am liking the texture of this one. And just look at these curls, you guys. They're really beautiful. What I do like about this wig is this is absolutely giving me everyday vibes. It's giving me throw on and go, don't really have to do too much, especially because it is just that singular parting space that goes down the middle, so you don't have to worry about trying to finesse the lace or anything like that. This one was honestly a pretty simple and easy install. And I'm just happy that it lived up to my expectations, because as soon as I saw it on the box, I was like, I feel like I'm gonna love this one, and I absolutely do love this one. I do tend to go with frontals more than anything, just because I feel like the versatility on them is easier to get away with kind of than finessing a standalone parting space unit. But this one is honestly so beautiful. I absolutely would get it again. I'm always looking for a wig that's going to be easy, everyday, super low maintenance, pretty much throw in and go, and I feel like this one absolutely is giving me that. And as far as any tangling and shedding, I did get some snags here and there, but definitely nothing too crazy. So let me just jump into the cons and pros on this one. Spoiler alert, you guys, I honestly cannot find any cons that I have with this unit. Like I did note, I did get a couple snags here and there, but it absolutely wasn't anything that set me off with this unit. So when it comes to my pros, I am loving this unit, you guys. Look at the way that the curls fall. It's just perfect. I already got the layerage and everything that I need. I did not have to go in and do any customizing or anything like that when it came to this unit. As I said, I'm wearing it glueless. All in all, I just feel like this is going to be an absolute go-getter. This is going to be for my girls that just want something to throw in and go. I love the texture. I love the density. I just love the way that it lays. Of course, I love those kinky edges. I love the flow of it. Like, this is honestly going to be that girl for me. And like I keep telling you guys, the Sensational Kinky Blowout 20 unit, the 13x6 has been my go-to, and this is going to be the runner-up for me. I'm going to be throwing it into my mix. I absolutely am going to be getting this one again. Look at those curls. Absolutely beautiful, you guys. So I feel like if you're on the fence about this one, honey, go run, grab it. I promise you will not be disappointed. So that's pretty much all I would say about this unit, you guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units, remember to pick up any of the colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.